Hello guys, to Infinitive Passive Income. Today's video I will show you how you can find trend t-shirts and ideas only with Google. Yes, that's right, only with Google to increase your sales on Redbubble. If you are new here, I made this ultimate free course on Redbubble and how you can make money with this website, step by step and completely friendly for beginners. You can check it out on my YouTube channel. And now, let's get started. First, go to google.com, type your niche here. For example, funny shirt. Click on tools and select past week. After, choose news. And why we choose news? To see the trend funny t-shirts, what's going viral in the last week. Now scroll down and search for any t-shirt or any idea like this one. And if you don't find anything on the first page, you can select next page. Like you see, all these t-shirts are trends right now, and if you are creating designs related to these ones, you probably get sales on Redbubble. This method are unique and not like other saturated methods that everyone use. So guys, remember that one design can change your life. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more free methods and ways to make money online, and see you in the next video.